Hey guys, wait, before we get into this video, I want you to go over to the Wilshire Family YouTube channel and subscribe. Go over there, go show them some love and tell them say Andrea sent you. I'm gonna put the link to their channel in my description box and I'm also gonna pin it in my comment section. Click on the link, go over there, go support them, help them to grow. Let's get into this video. Wanna miss way? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like up the video, comment more than one time, turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video, a new video. And when I post, guys, when you can watch back some of the old video them. Guys, we are not feeling well.
I tell you what going, people, 2 days now I catch a cold and it about me. I up on the road at rainfall one day, AC, I come out and them say if I come home I just feel one cold on my throat. You see me I say?
So all you tell me see a sinus?
I'm a baby if my nose a drain a sinus.
You did have a little cold, but it gone. Eh?
What do you do?
My belly hurt me. Other than that, we regulate and mash up to a stove.
When you have to be here though?
Friday.
Friday.
When
Alright, boo. Wonder.
you gonna do yours?
Not me there, wonder.
I mean, if you pull out here and wash it.
Alright. Come, if anything, but I just pay if you get it done.
I mean, you can.
I don't want to do the same. What this you give me last time, him? Outside twist. Where name?
Rub this?
I rubbed alright, I forgot the cabin. Come here, rub twist and then you look real, I'm like that.
Babe, my hair can wear like this?
Hmm?
My hair can wear like this?
Where? Figure out.
On the road now.
If I not come out of that car.
Oh guys, I bought this candle from...
I ain't gonna need to owe me. I'm going to tell you right in my phone. Andrew owes me 8,000. You owe me 8. I'm buying.
Oh, since I
No,
want
don't care about me too, man. Listen to me too. You owe me 8 grand and me take your business stuff. How much money that come to me? I'm borrow 5. How much 5 grand I borrow from you here?
Excuse me?
How much I borrow?
8.
So they 8 they squeak out.
So pay me my business money. Business soon launch though, guys. Don't worry. It's just that when a little sale them come in, me don't want to turn it back because the other day we never have no shower gel in the bathroom. And I buy it up. The one that I had in there, I bought it from my business. Anything when me take from my business, me buy it. So like this, me buy it because me say when people ask me how it smell, I can tell them. I know me not gonna buy everything, but once me take it from my business, me gonna buy it. So now shower gel done. Jason, babe, I can get one more shower gel, please. I sell. So me literally sell him one set, so him have him set. Oh, no, what Jason do? Me gonna tell him what Jason do.
What Jason do?
No.
What Jason do?
Wait, me gonna tell them what you do.
What big old lie I gonna tell
Me gonna
me?
tell them. So me sell him that set here. The shower gel in the bathroom. This smells really good, guys. Me can't wait for drop them so I can just supporting a girl. But yeah, me sell him that set here with the shower gel. When him come and ask me if him can get the shower gel alone, so I said, Jason, me sell you a set. Jason, take him things. Jason, no. Jason, take him things and him put the shower gel in the bathroom and him carry them go put on him workstation. Them here, him go put on him workstation.
Bro, so when that road enough for me? It's like that car too.
Wow. I not have no shame. I should trouble them. I should make them stay around there. When them done, him buy one next day. I just want to put my best foot forward. Plus, me get some new stock. And in them stock, them I get some Christmas collection. Plus, me get some room spray and stuff. So, just give me some time, guys. Anyways, guys, me go bed. I dead my life. I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna wear it. Ging. Babe, me never have one hat where middle cut out. Yes, the khaki hat. Never can wear it. My anniversary is right around the corner, and for at one point me never did remember nothing about the anniversary because we're supposed to get married very soon, and it did have to push back a little bit. So we never did a plan to celebrate our anniversary. We just did a go cancel out the month there, and start with new anniversary date, which would have been our wedding date. However, because of the whole change up, it did just throw me off track. So we'll push it back, and for the date there, if the government said the two because me not change back the date. Me not like the whole feeling for change the date because me did get
Drink it peculiarly. Peculiarly.
Babe, so you could strain it.
Yo, you cannot just drink this up the right way, babe.
Babe, the right.
The seed is the right remedy. Listen! If you don't know, open drink them thing, you're just gonna sound like your mouth on the cup, miss.
Babe, when I have no strainer.
Bro, look at the man, when they say a man do things, just deal with things. When you put your teeth.
Babe, I only strainer that. And my teeth are for straining. Kusid. My God. I'm grateful. Thanks, babe. Thanks for your vitamin C. Guys, when you see how my lip come back to, and you probably never realize. Look. It not have no crack again. No matter which lip balm me use or whatever, it just did a crack on. I buy this, and this helped me a lot. So I just rub it before I go to bed at night time, morning time after I brush my teeth, and it really works. Cause look, normally when me used to skin it up, now when me used to spread out it so, you could have seen it crook up. But now you don't see it again. I still contemplate what I'm going to do to my ear. Beautiful people, I'm back. So I just finished bed and drawing some clothes because remember we are running up on the road. But I can see how it look now. The reveal. Hopefully it fall in place. Not bad. Not bad. The bun. Not bad. Front could have flat. Oh, let's see. Look, before I forget this package, I open it already. The only thing, if you watch this, please message me on Instagram. But your name is supposed to be there. And it's so cute. The only thing, it look sturdy now, but it looked like when them did a ship it, it broke. It broke. See it there? So I have to go fix it because I don't want to take it out of this. I want it to stay in this. So you know, I could have buy one new frame and put it in, but I just want the whole thing to stay like we get it. Thank you so much. I really and truly could it a drop out. Oh my God. It look like when them did a, something here. There's something broken, man. Vex, you know. And I love it, you know. I go try to glue it up. Because I don't want to take it out of that something here. I don't want to change it. Oh, hold on there. Me see what happened. I think I can fix it. Me I fix a girl, you know. So I never did know, so she did reach out to Jason. She did reach out to Jason and ask for the address to send it. So we finally get it. So if you're watching this video, take one thumbnail. Because she catch my birthmark. It's cute. It's so cute. Me I wonder if me can get it bigger. So I'm gonna have that small one here in the bedroom and then blow it up and put it over the breaker box. Even though I did have something in mind for the breaker box, I don't want to spoil that, but this is so cute. I'm gonna search for the person. So I'm gonna put up back this because I'm gonna find somewhere in the house to hang this. And another thing, I have a little unboxing to do. Look at this, it's so cute. I'm gonna use the box as decoration when I'm done. So guys, this package is from Kim's Beauty. Kimona. Check out our YouTube channel and go over to our business page on Instagram and check her out. Shop Statement JA. I know my anniversary will come up soon, so I had to support my girl and you know get something from our. What? Packaging nice. Look before me even pull it up. Get into it. But she put some rose petal in there. And she cater for plus size as well. So this is the top and it's stretch, guys. It's stretch, so don't worry. I can't really show the underwear too much because I know YouTube, but go over to our business page and go look on them, check her out. And the under nice as well, and it's stretch. It's so cute. I love it. Thank you so much, girl. Yeah, give me ideas in a camera. And that's about it for today, guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I'm not sure if I'm going to end off a vlog yet because I don't know when I go up on the road. I don't know if I carry on. I just don't know. But even if I end off here and something happens, I can still come back. Hey guys, good morning. So it's the next day and I noticed different background. I did on a mommy. I came down early this morning because mommy did have somewhere to go, so I have to come, you know, sit with the kids them. And online class, 4 kids, not easy none at all. Normally it would have been 2, but my sister kids them there because my sister busy as well, so I end up have the 4 of them. Them the on break now. I love that. I love how them give them break, so them for return at 10:30. Guys, I feel so dunks. Tell me why my niece get Glow and Go Foods a while ago. I don't remember them hour. Wow. But yeah, I learn in the process. So right now them get a little break, so I look about something. I look about something for them eat. So when them go back in a class, them can feel, you know, have energy and stuff. So yeah, me there. My head mad. The only thing I wake up and do up at my house this morning, I try on the lingerie. So I'm going to insert one little video clip. I know I'm not try on everything for sure the camera but I just try on for sure how the top fit for anybody who have body size like mine.
Lots of flowers to plant. Rosie planted some blue and white flowers. Jan's planted.
No. Go back.
Jasmine planted. Jasmine planted some yellow and purple flowers.
Okay, so you do all of your work them already?
Yeah.
Also not the time. You understand?
Yeah.
Awesome. What come after that?
Oh.
Good girl. High five.